Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check for a population report on the Alt app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and search a population of a certain graded card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Alt app. Next, you want to go ahead and click on search all items on the top hand side. We're going to go ahead and search for a certain card. So we'll type in Nidoking 2002. Afterwards, click on the card. And then once you scroll down in any listing, it's going to give you the pop report. So as you can see, there's 10 in the PSA 10. There are 395 in the PSA 10. These were the recent transactions, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check for the population report on the Alt app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.